Okay, now that we know our units and physical quantities, let's go to dimensional analysis. So, okay, dimensional analysis. What does it mean when we say two quantities are dimensionally consistent? So what we want here is all units must be dimensionally consistent. Ibig sabihin, terms that are added or equated must have the same units. For example, you want to add length and length. So you don't want to add, for example, mass and time. For example, you don't want to add 5 kilograms and 2 seconds because it won't make sense. Okay, so this is an important tool in solving problems because sometimes you don't need to solve exactly the problem just for you to get an answer. May mga problems sa gano'n na kaya namang i-check yung dimensions ng system. For example, if you know for example, multiple choice question. Of course, your Physics 71 exam is a multiple choice question. Pag nakita nyo na inconsistent yung units, sure yun, mali yun. Okay? So it means that if you want to determine a measurement in units of length, then expect that the answer should be in length. Kapag mass bigla yung lumabas dyan, or length over time squared bigla yung lumabas dyan, that means that it's wrong. Okay? Dimensional analysis is a good check whether your answer is wrong or not. But it doesn't necessarily give you an idea whether your answer is correct. Malalaman mo lang na mali yung sagot mo. Pero it doesn't mean na tama yung units, tama na rin yung sagot. Pero maganda siyang check. Okay? So when you have a lengthy calculation and you check the units and you see that the units are not the same as what you want, in that case, you are now sure that there is something wrong in the calculation and you can check, automatically ma-check mo na agad kung nasaan yung maling calculation. Okay? Pangtipid sa oras to. Again, only terms that are added or equated must have the same units. When you want to multiply or divide two quantities, they don't need to have the same units. Okay? You need, sabi nga dito, pagsama-samahin ang pare-pareho, that is left-hand side equals right-hand side, and units of the quantities of the same units must can be added. Okay? Are there any questions in this?
And so far.
Okay. Sige.